Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm a sewing teacher from Dorset. Now I'm going to show you how to make an amazing felt garland. It's the perfect decoration for your home. Let's get started.
Merry Christmas!
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hobbycraft and hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. Get various coloured felt and start cutting out circle shapes, or whatever shaped garland you'd like to make. Choose a coloured thread in your machine. You can have a different colour in the bobbin if you wanted to add a little fun. Start by sewing down the centre of your first felt shape. Do a little back stitch to start. Once you get to the other side, add the next felt shape under the machine foot and continue sewing. Keep adding shapes and sewing in a straight line until your garland is as long as you like it. When you're happy with the length, do a back stitch to finish. You can hang it as it is, or you can stitch a small loop of ribbon to each end of the felt shapes for hanging. Thanks for watching. For more Christmas or sewing projects, head to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and leave a comment below. We'd love to see them, and we'll see you again for more videos.